be showing you guys how to make a quick and easy, sweet and tasty grape jam. Let's get into it. First of all, with 4 cups of seedless and ready rushed grapes, I'm going to pour it into my blender. And I'm going to pulsate this until my desired consistency. I like it a bit lumpy, so I ain't going to pulsate that much. Now that's done, I'm going to place it into my pot. With 1 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then I'm going to put this on a medium heat, ready to boil. This will take about 35 to 40 minutes, depending on how much juice your grapes hold. Now I'm going to be stirring this gradually until it thickens, so see you after it's done. As time goes on, you would want to check if your jam's ready, so I'm going to give it a little test. It's not ready just as yet. I like mine a little bit more thick, so I'm going to leave it on a low heat for it to simmer down until it gets thick. Now my jam has gone to the right consistency and it's ready, it's time to place into my ready sterilized jar. Now my jam is all jarred up, it's time for the official taste. That's so delicious. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed and see you next time.